Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful colorful look to share. I love how this came out. There's like a little bit of blue and purple, green, and a light minty green as well. It's so pretty. So pretty. It's using the SheGlam Cosmic Come Up Alien Mood eyeshadow palette, and this is look number 3. To get started, I've already primed my lids with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer, and I have Be Pure Infused Powder under the eye to catch fallout. There is a little bit of fallout with this palette. I love the color story of this eyeshadow palette. First up, I'm taking Neptune, and it is a navy matte blue shade. I'm taking this on a smudger type deal brush. It is densely packed blending smudger brush, and I'm packing this in the outer corner, and I'm going to bring this up against my orbital bone and slightly above it, and I'm using pressing motions to eliminate some of the fallout as well as help build up the pigmentation. Not that it needs it, but like I always say, little at a time, not to ruin the whole look. Next up, I'm taking In Orbit, which is this light minty shade. I'm going to be taking that on a fluffy blending brush and applying that in the inner corner of the rest of the crease, on the first half of the crease I should say. Kind of blending it over top of the navy blue shade, blending the edges into it. And I'm just going to keep building that up. I'll go back in with the navy shade and blend the edges a bit. I just kind of take my brush slightly over the edges to blend. And next up, I'm taking Nebula, which is this shimmery purple shade with pink and blue purple flecks in it. And I'm taking this on the outer corner, and yes, I am covering up most of that navy blue shade with this shimmery shade, but I love how this ended up turning out in the end. Now I'm just taking that on the shader brush and pressing that in the outer corner, taking more of the navy blue to blend, and using more of the shimmery shade to also go over that and blend them together as well. Next up, I'm taking Big Bang, and this is a shimmery emerald kind of shade, or a shimmery turquoise shade, but it does lean more emerald. This shade is absolutely stunning, and on a flat shader brush, I'm going to apply this to the center of the lid. Now once I have that pressed in on the center of the lid, can you tell how shimmery and beautiful metallic-y these shades are without being foiled? They're amazing. They blend seamless as well. Next shade up is called Light Year, in this nut light green shade. I'm using the Hard Candy Primer spray to wet my brush, and I'm going to apply this wet. So I have foiled the eyeshadow. This is going in my inner corner area and the first part of the lid. I'm also going to be bringing that shimmery green shade slightly above the other green shade in the center of the lid, and I will also be blending those as well with the crease shade. Now we'll go back and reapply some colors, do a little bit more blending, and up next I have the shade Gravity, which is a nice vanilla shade for the highlight. It's matte, and I'm going to apply this with a fluffy shader brush under the eyebrow and blend it down into the crease. And I love the highlight process, wiping away any fallout that I had, which there's a little bit from the shimmery shades. I'm going to use the navy blue and that light minty shade from the crease on the lower lash line. I'll also be applying some more of the light shimmery green shade in the inner corner. This is WetnWild's Breakup eyeliner, and this is a light minty eyeliner from Temu. You can also find these eyeliners on Shein. AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and these lashes are fluffy Cateye lashes from Shein, and I'm going to apply those. I'm using Benefit Roller Lash to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes, and here are the finished eyes. For lips, I'm using the SheGlam Lip to Roam Epic Adventure Liquid Lipstick in All Abroad. Now here's my finished look, and I didn't realize the sun was coming in at this weird angle. I'm filming a little bit earlier than I normally do, but that aside, the look is still incredibly beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Definitely check out these SheGlam products. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Thank you so very much for watching.